Geometry. Sine and cosine rules. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.
In this video, we learn about
Triangle ABC. The sine rule. A by sine A equal B by sine B equals C by sine C. Sine A by A equals sine B by B equals sine C by C. Find angle B. Triangle ABC. AC equals 6 cm. CB equal 15 cm. And angle CB equal 120 degree. Sine A by A equals sine B by B equals sine C by C. Sine B equals 0.346. Angle B equal 20.3 degree. Find C. Triangle ABC. AC equals 7 cm. Angle B equals 60 degree. And angle C equal 50 degree. A by sine A equal B by sine B equals C by sine C. C equal 6.19 cm.
In this video, we learn about
Cosine rule. Triangle ABC. A square equal B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A. B square equals C square plus A square minus 2AC cosine B. C square equal A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C. Cosine A equals B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Cosine B equals A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. Cosine C equals a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Find b. Triangle ABC. AB equal 5 cm. BC equal 8 cm. And angle B equal 112 degree. B square equal C square plus A square minus 2AC cosine B. B equal 10.9 centimeter. Find angle C. Triangle ABC. AC equals 6 cm. CB equal 5 cm. AB equals 7 cm. Cosine C equals A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Angle C equal 78.5 degree.